Welcome to this step-by-step guide on adding an email link to your WordPress site. In this tutorial, you will learn how to quickly transform a piece of text into a clickable email link using the WordPress editor. Begin by navigating to your WordPress website in your preferred web browser. Once you have reached the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Click on login and you will be prepared for the authentication process. After selecting login, you will be offered multiple options to access your account. In this case, you should choose the option that says continue with Google. Once you click this option, a list of your available Google accounts should appear. Select the appropriate account that you wish to use for managing your WordPress site. With your account successfully chosen, the next step is to harness the power of WordPress's quick links to streamline your editing experience. Find the quick links section and click on the label that reads Edit Site. This action will open the site editor where you can directly modify the content of your web pages. Once inside the editor, take a moment to locate the text that you plan to convert into an email link. Clicking directly on this text activates the editing mode. You should see the text become highlighted or present an editing outline indicating that it is ready for further customization. With the text selected, the next action to perform is to highlight the text fully and then locate the link icon, which is usually placed in the toolbar above the editing area. Clicking on the link icon will prompt a small dialog where you can now introduce the link details. At this stage, begin by typing the word mail to followed by a colon. This command tells the system that the link should perform the specific function of opening up an email client whenever it is clicked on. After entering mail to, the tutorial instructs you to click on the link that appears. When you click on this link, the editing interface provides you with additional options to fine-tune your email link. Look for a pencil icon which represents the option to edit this link further, and click on it. In the newly opened edit window, you will see a field where you can now safely insert your desired email address. Carefully type in the complete email address that you wish your visitors to contact. This process ensures that the email link is properly connected to the designated email account. Once you have entered the correct email address, take note of the save option provided by WordPress. It is important to click on save to confirm and store your changes permanently. By saving your modifications, the text on your site is now converted into a fully functional email link, providing your users with an easy and efficient way to reach out directly via their preferred email client. This concludes our guided process on transforming a standard piece of text into an email link using the WordPress editor. Each step in this guide is designed to provide you with clear and simple instructions for setting up an interactive email link, ensuring that your site visitors can connect with you quickly and efficiently. Enjoy the process and feel confident that you can easily integrate email functionality into your WordPress site whenever needed.